If your Firman generator is running and the engine is running well but it's not bringing current, this is what you should do first before you call any technician to check. You need to remove this cover. You need to come to this side because it is not the engine, it is the alternator that is not producing current. So you come this side. There are two things you have to check here. This is AVR. You can see this is AVR. For you to remove your AVR has two bolts. You can see the first bolt here, and this is the second bolt here. You can see the first and the second bolt. You need to remove these two bolts. When you remove this bolt, you can change your AVR first if your engine is not producing current. If your engine is not producing current, then that's the first thing for you to do. Then if you check that and yet it's not producing current, another thing you can check is to come here. Look at this very well. Look at this. This is your brush. This is your carbon brush. Is here your carbon brush. It has two wires. You can see I just removed the wire now. This is first wire, then put it back, and this is the second wire. This is the second wire here. You can see it has a positive and a negative. When you check the carbon brush very well, if the carbon brush is bad too, that's another thing that could prevent your generator from producing current. If you check these two things and you notice that yes, your generator is not producing current, then you need to look for a mechanic to come and check. Then another thing you should not forget to do is that you need to check if your meter is reading. This is your meter, your voltage meter. If your meter is not reading and it's working before, that means your generator is not producing current. You get it? If your meter is not reading at all, or your meter read is not up to 200, it should be 220, but it's not getting to 220. You can see this is 220 volt. If not getting to that, to 200 or above, maybe around 100, that means there is a problem with your generator. So you have to come this side. When you come this side, check these two things and ensure that you check all the wires. You can see, ensure, like this one now, this is this wire is from the coil. Check the wire. If it is if it's coupled very well, then this is another wire from your AVR. This is your AVR, as I said before, that goes to your carbon brush. Check if the wire is properly inserted. Then you check your carbon brush. Your carbon brush always run on your slip ring. The slip ring is here, inside here. Check the slip ring. You can separate your slip ring and separate the carbon brush. If you try these two things and your generator is not bringing current, then you have to consult a technician to come and check. But these are the little troubleshooting you can do if your engine is not, if your Firman is not producing current. See you in another video. Bye.